Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on NEO, so our potential double bottom turned into a triple bottom. Actually, there's a sloppy double top in here that did go to target, by the way. That's why you should always learn these patterns yourself, but it's been getting caught against the declining rotation zone. You see, even up here, poked through, but could not get closed beyond it, then drop back down, retesting the prior lows. So, if it can finally get through the rotation zone, then we'll be watching for a return to 95.75 and then about the 100 level. If it breaks down, we're against the rotation zone still on the daily. So next key areas we'll be watching for is about 76 to 77, right in here, this little cluster. If it breaks down, then if it breaks below that 69.50, let's check in on that daily chart. You can see this is still weak. We got the 8 coming down. This might trigger the next move down lower. We're pretty much holding at the bottom of these candle bodies too, but would not be surprised to see it drop into these long tails or wicks. So watch really what happens, especially in the next 24 to 48 hours with the 8 coming down to touch this price action and see if it breaks lower. So nothing much else to do on NEO but sit on our hands and wait for a higher probability setup. So switching to NEM/XEM, we were caught in this sloppy horizontal channel, and we talked about if we broke above it to watch for a return to the 41.86 level, next key gain level up there, which we essentially spiked up there, closed in here. Now we've returned to the prior gain level. If you watched other videos in the past, we talk about price action rotating between gain levels. It's something to put in your trading repertoire. So now we have the rotation zone coming up, holding here. So we're going to be watching for a rotation entry back up to see if this rotation zone holds. Then a retest at 41.86. If we get above there, next level 43.77. And then we have the declining 200 at about 44.61. Let's check in on the daily though. That's going to be really key. You see here we spiked through the rotation zone and fallen back down in it. So there's still overhead pressure even though we managed to get to the next scan level. You know, and this is the prior people probably who bought in here before the collapse. A lot of them are selling out. So let's see. We still need to get a close above the rotation zone, and that's really key before we'll really get more aggressive with NEM/XEM because there's still a lot of overhead pressure with it. Nothing else much to report on that either, besides just waiting for the next high probability setup and a rotation higher. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.